Alright, I'm going to show you how to remove security tag from a garment. First we're going to melt the plastic, make it nice and soft so I can go in with a wire cutter and peel the plastic back to expose a cylinder where there are some ball bearings that are holding in the pin that connect the two security tag halves together. So we're going to make the plastic nice and soft. It only takes a couple of minutes. Okay, should be soft enough to go in and start peeling it back. Gotta move fast because the plastic it cools off and hardens pretty quickly, and it requires some wrestling and elbow grease. Oh, there's a spring. Forgot about that. And inside that is the cylinder, but there's a plastic thing that keeps the cylinder in there, so we gotta peel back the plastic first. It's like a different color plastic, like a white plastic. Just gotta clip it away a little piece by piece, just enough to get the cylinder so that the cylinder can slide out. There's the cylinder. By now the plastic is already pretty hard again, but I've got enough chopped away where I can almost pull out that little cylinder. Let me make sure I got it enough. Twisting it back out of the way. Comes out pretty easily. Alright, and now I have a needle nose plier, and I just go in and grab the lip of the cylinder and pull out, and there's some little ball bearings right there, and there's the needle. There's one more ball bearing in there which I'm just going to pull out, but if you don't have this kind of needle nose, you can just turn it upside down and pull the ball bearings out, which I'm about to do if I can't catch it. Alright. One ball bearing is stuck in there. Okay, can't seem to get that one bearing out. Okay. Back in with the needle nose. Got it. The last ball bearing. And voila. Go into the back. There's the needle. And we're done.